The defense of our society is indispensable for our progress, for our advancement. Planes, soldiers, armies are fundamental to protect our society. However, there is also a war being fought in the shadows, a war in the digital world. At Procesia, we are experts in the digital field, and we want to contribute. Contribute with our talent, with our knowledge, with innovation. Keep Armor, the tool that automates the process of obtaining security certifications. Cebreros, the asset maintenance system. Signal, artificial intelligence for data ingestion. We have the best service for managing classified systems and offer the best response capability against cyber threats. Defense and security in the world are our priority. Procesia, committed to innovation.